Today I will be showing you how to make your very own code door in Roblox Studio. And let's just begin the tutorial. So as you can see, it's not gonna actually take that much. All you gotta do is you're going to add in some parts and walls, and make sure to name this to door or this won't work. Capital D at the beginning. Remember, codes, model, and all that is in the description. So make sure the door is that's the name, and then make sure you have walls. And we got these just parts that surround the walls. Then we're going to make this model named into keypad. So what you're gonna want to do is, these are the keys model. Make sure to put this in the keypad model after you, but first, like, make all these parts and stuff, if you know what I mean. So in keys, in these keys, make sure in the keys add in a click detector and then a surface GUI. The click detector is like when you click it, it types in the code. So then the surface GUI has a text label, and then you just make sure to change your surface GUI pixel per stud to 200, or else your letters will look kind of bad. Make sure the text label size is to this right here. Make sure it fits the screen and all that. I might be missing a step, but it's not an important one, like how to make that maybe something's wrong with the numbers, but I don't think it'll ruin the whole thing. Then just duplicate them and just change the name and change the number on it. And then you're going to add in these two things called a clear button, and make sure to have a click detector in it too, and then a surface GUI. Make sure the text label is to clear, and the enter button is going to be green. Just change the background color, duplicate it again. Then you're going to make a screen. Make sure to just duplicate and take out the click detector and make it say enter code. And then you should have your code done after you do all this. But before we do anything, you're going to need a code like this. So this right here is going to be your code. Change this to anything right here. Make sure this is blank. Function enter code, and then all this, and then this. Make sure this tells you when it's the incorrect code. Enter, mouse button, one click, click detector, mouse click, colon connect, and all this, and then yeah, just some scripting. And then when you get to function key 1 and all this, make sure to duplicate this line, then go down function and just change the key to key 2, and then key 3, key 4, key 5, key 6, key 7, key 8, key 9, and then that's it. And now if you want to pause, I will scroll down for you real quick. So here's the first part. All right. I'm going to go down slowly, as you can look at the script. Okay. And then should be done after this. Let's test it out. As you can see, I didn't put in a spawn point. I should have. And then if I type in 158, we'll do a wrong code. And clear works. 158, enter incorrect code. So you can see, can't walk through it or anything. Now, it's easier actually to do, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see, I can walk through it. And okay, this should function it. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.